Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Learn Urdu vocabulary. Days of week. हफ्ते के दिन. Monday. Peer. How can we say in Urdu Monday? Peer. 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 Repeat after me. Peer. Peer. Second. Tuesday. Tuesday. Mangal. Tuesday. Mangal. Mangal. Monday. Peer. Tuesday. Mangal. 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 Peer. Mangal. Wednesday. Wednesday. Budh. 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 Wednesday. Thursday. 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 Jumerat. 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 Thursday. Jumerat. Friday. Friday. Jumma. 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 Saturday. Saturday. Hafta. Hafta. Saturday. Hafta. Sunday. Sunday. Itwar. Sunday. Itwar. Monday. Peer. Tuesday. Mangal. Wednesday. Budh. Thursday. Jumerat. Friday. Jumma. Saturday. Hafta. Sunday. Itwar. Now repeat after me only Urdu. Peer. 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 Monday means peer. Tuesday. Tuesday mean Mangal. 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 Wednesday. Budh. Budh. Thursday. Jumerat. Jumerat. Friday. Jumma. Jumma. Saturday. Hafta. Hafta. Sunday. Itwar. I hope you will learn this vocabulary days of week. Next week I will bring more vocabularies for you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Assalamu alaikum.